Let us understand factors of production. We have four factors of production. Number one, land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. Starting with land, we must know that land में सिर्फ और सिर्फ फिजिकल लैंड नहीं काउंट होगी. लैंड में इंक्लूड होगा ऑन द लैंड, अंडर द लैंड, एनी रॉ मटेरियल, एनीथिंग इन द सी, अंडर द सी. For example, like coal, gold. अब उसको in return for using these things we have to pay rent, and rent also include royalty for mining. Using land and anything we are paying for using these resources will go into rent. Then we have labor. Labor will not only include manual labor but also mental labor, and in return wages will be paid. Thirdly, we have capital. Capital में हमें एक चीज नोट करनी है कि capital doesn't include the money, rather it includes the technologies, tools, equipments, anything that has some future stream of benefit that will help to increase the productivity of what land and labor will go into capital. For example, अगर हम physical capital की बात करें तो हमारे पास tools आ जाते हैं, मशीनरी आ जाती है. इससे हमारा क्या अच्छा होगा? लेबर की प्रोडक्टिविटी अच्छी हो सकती है, उसकी यूटिलिटी ऑफ रिसोर्स अच्छा हो सकता है. Then we have human capital. It will include the skills, the knowledge that is required to increase the productivity. Thirdly, we have natural capital. Anything which is essential for human life, like air, soil, land, it will come under natural capital. Then we have financial capital. Financial capital. अब आप बोलोगे इसमें मनी तो आती नहीं है, तो financial capital में क्या आएगा? Financial capital will include the methods through which we are getting the money. For example, bonds. जो अब लेंगे तो future में उसका return आएगा, right? Monetary assets will come under financial. Then we have social. Very important. PYQ. It includes all the networks, all the relationships that will help a business to boom. Any information, for example, you are having any information that can contribute to your business कि वो बाद में जाके boom करेगा, तो वो social capital में आ जाएगा. All the networking relationships. Then we have one thing more, social overhead capital, जो economic survey में बात की गई है. इसमें क्या आएगा? लॉन्ग टर्म इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ के लिए हमें ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट भी बहुत जरूरी है. इफ वी वांट टू ग्रो इकोनॉमिकली, वी नीड टू इन्वेस्ट ऑन टू एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, वाटर, एटसेट्रा. Then at last we are having entrepreneurship. For entrepreneurship we need risk, responsibility, management. और जो अगर ये कोई लेगा, कोई रिस्क उठाएगा, तभी उसको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. So for the capital we have interest, and for the entrepreneurship we have the profit. That concludes your factors of production.